Bueno amigos, aquí les traigo una prueba de sonido, les traigo dos grandes, el Tribit Stonebwood Blast contra el W-King X20. Veremos si los 200 watts contra los 90 watts se reflejan en este video.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, and I ain't never gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no.
Bueno amigos, he terminado la prueba de sonido y efectivamente el W-King X20 es muy potente al lado del Tribit Stonebwood Blast. Un ejemplo para que lo entiendan bien es como tener el Tribit Stonebwood Blast al 60% de su volumen y el W-King X20 tenerlo al 100%. La diferencia es bastante, el sonido del W-King es fuertísimo al lado del Tribit Stonebwood Blast y el sonido incluso me gustó más en el W-King X20. Espero que en el video se aprecie, suscríbanse al canal, apóyenme con su like y muchas gracias por ver este pequeño video.